Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the world of nutrition and wellness. Today we're going to unlock the health secrets of chia seeds, those tiny powerhouses of nutrients that have been gaining popularity in recent years. Chia seeds may be small, but don't let their size fool you. These little seeds are packed with an impressive array of nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. Let's start with the basics. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, vitamins, and minerals. In fact, just 1 ounce of chia seeds contains 11 grams of fiber, which is nearly a third of the recommended daily intake for adults. One of the most unique properties of chia seeds is their ability to absorb liquid and form a gel-like consistency. When you soak chia seeds in water or any liquid, they swell up and become gelatinous, which can be beneficial for digestion and keeping you feeling fuller for longer. This gel-forming property makes chia seeds perfect for making chia pudding, a delicious and nutritious treat that you can enjoy for breakfast or as a snack. Simply mix chia seeds with your favorite plant-based milk and sweetener. Let it sit in the fridge overnight and voila! You have a creamy and satisfying pudding that's loaded with nutrients. Chia seeds are also incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into your favorite recipes. You can sprinkle them on top of oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. Add them to smoothies for an extra nutritional boost, or even use them as an egg substitute in baking. Another creative way to enjoy chia seeds is by making chia seed crackers. Simply mix chia seeds with water, seasonings, and your choice of herbs or spices. Spread the mixture thinly on a baking sheet and bake until crispy. These homemade crackers are a delicious and healthy alternative to store-bought snacks. Did you know that you can also make jam using chia seeds? That's right, by combining mashed fruit with chia seeds and a touch of sweetener, you can create a nutritious jam that's free of added sugars and preservatives. Spread it on toast, swirl it into yogurt, or use it as a topping for pancakes or waffles. Now let's talk about some of the health benefits of chia seeds. Due to their high fiber content, chia seeds can help regulate digestion and prevent constipation. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Additionally, chia seeds are a great source of plant-based protein, making them an excellent option for vegans and vegetarians looking to meet their protein needs. And because they're packed with antioxidants, chia seeds can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Last but not least, chia seeds may also help promote weight loss by keeping you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. Plus, their low-calorie and high nutrient content make them a perfect addition to any weight loss or healthy eating plan. So there you have it, the health secrets of chia seeds unlocked. Whether you enjoy them in pudding, smoothies, crackers, or jams, there's no denying that chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse that can benefit your health in countless ways. So why not give them a try and see for yourself? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more nutrition tips and healthy recipes. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.